Hello and welcome to Promatic Software's WorkTracker training tutorial videos. Today we will be learning how to connect our WorkTracker account to our XactAnalysis account. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, enter your webfile.com and search. Click the Sign In button to continue. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Click the Administration button located on the Access panel on the left. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. Here you will find the company ID and exact and net address fields. Now open a new tab. In the search bar, enter XactAnalysis.com and search. Enter the email address associated with your XactAnalysis account and click Next. Enter the password for your XactAnalysis account and click Login. Once you are in your XactAnalysis account, click the Administration button in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, click Company Admin. If you do not see this option, you will have to contact the XactAnalysis support team. This is a quick and easy process. To contact the support team, click the Support button on the bottom left of the page. When chatting with the support team, advise them that you need access to your company admin and company setup and exports pages. This wording can be found in this video's description. Once you are in the company admin page, copy your company ID. Now open your other tab named Filer Main. Paste the information into the field marked Company ID. Go back to the XactAnalysis tab. Copy the Xact net address. Go to the Filer Main tab. Paste the information into the field marked Xact net address and click Save. Go back to the XactAnalysis tab. Click the Administration button in the top right corner and select Company Setup and Exports from the drop-down menu. Under the third-party/vendor column, look for Promatic. Once you have found it, select Automatic and click Save. Your WorkTracker account has now been synced with your XactAnalysis account. Thank you for choosing Promatic software.